everybody, welcome back. I'm Kelsey Kush, the Sativa Zebra, and today I am doing a product review on the Northern Standard Campfire S'mores. So we're just gonna get a little Alright, so it's taken me way longer than it should to make this video, and I honestly don't know why, because I was loving, or was and still am loving, this Northern Standard Campfire S'mores. So first of all, the packaging is pretty standard. Nothing, I mean, it is really cute and nostalgic, this like kind of color combination, because it makes you think of, like, you know, sunset and camping and making s'mores, so it's super cute. But the actual, like, how it opens is pretty, this is how most chocolate bars are. Although one thing I thought was really smart and, like, very innovative, I'm using that word a lot, was, so according to Colorado, if the thing is removed at all, you have to have it labeled. So rather than them like double labeling everything, they just made it so that you can see through it, and I don't know, that was really clever. So good job on that. And then I don't have anything in here. I've literally just kept this container just to show you guys how it opened, because I ate it all. But yeah, it just opens like this. And this is the one thing I never understood, is like, I don't know, I wasn't sure if you're supposed to open it like the chocolate was supposed to be here or if it was supposed to be here. I never did it the right way no matter what. So, blah. But this chocolate was, first of all, it was just cute, because on the back, on like the bottom, of the chocolate, they put little graham crackers and marshmallows there, so it was super cute. And then on top of that, the chocolate was delicious. Like, yeah, I'm gonna say it is the best chocolate edible I have tasted. And the reason why is the chocolate was very rich and creamy, and it's very similar to like a European chocolate rather than traditional American chocolate. And that was what sealed the deal to me. Eating like this chocolate was, it really felt like a treat. It was not just like eating any other edible. It was, I kind of like took 3 minutes to eat these edibles. I was like, God, they're so cute, and like took one small bite and just savored it, and it, yeah, oh my gosh, amazing. I can't believe I haven't heard more from this, because yeah, it's the best chocolate I've tasted. It is not like any of the other chocolates out there. The only one I would say comes close, well, and in fact they're very similar, like this one and Coda's Truffles. Those are both, it's very similar chocolate. It's super rich, super creamy, super just like luxurious is the only term I know that comes to mind. But that's what this was. It was really a treat. And then on top of that, having those little pieces of the marshmallows and the graham crackers. Some people might not like that because they were kind of big pieces, and like it affected the cutting of the edible slightly, but I thought it was super cute, and it also gave it a nice crunch that kind of just added to the like richness of this edible. So yeah, holy moly was this good. And what else can I say? Yeah, I mean, it's, one thing that's disappointing is this is not, I mean, very few chocolate is plant-based or vegan friendly, so sadly, if that's the lifestyle you're going by, you're not going to be able to eat this. I'm really upset. I really want to buy it again, but as you guys know, I pretty much only buy things that are vegan just for health reasons. So yeah, and this also gave me a really good high. I forgot to take pictures the night that I was testing these, but I think that night we ended up, I think I ended up like dancing, which pretty much means I'm at a very good level of high. And yeah, they were just, I want to say I got to about four Kelseys with these edibles. And one thing is, since quarantine started and, you know, being at home, my tolerance has definitely gone up. I was gonna do a tolerance break, but now it's not the greatest time for that. So we're just accepting that my tolerance has gotten crazy. But yeah. Ooh, if you guys want to learn about tolerance breaks or anything, like and subscribe, and I will make a video about that and talk about it. But getting back to this, so yeah, I really like the packaging. Like overall, it's about standard for chocolate packaging. The actual design is pretty cute because it's like, you know, it's focused mainly on just the feeling you get when you eat these, and then like at the very bottom you see the chocolate. So I think that's kind of clever. And yeah, and then it was delicious on top of everything else, and it got me high. And I'm sure if my tolerance had been lower, I would have been to 5 Kelseys, but my tolerance is crazy right now. So yeah, that's kind of it for Northern Standard. Drip, drip. So yeah, that is it. So overall, I would give these a, should I do it? Should I give them a 5? They're not vegan again. So we're gonna take a 4.5. Because these were, I have been like craving, I really have been wanting to buy more of these. Even though I'm not, like I can't really. Yeah, it's gonna be a 4.5 because it's not really, it's better than a 4, I gotta say. But it's not quite to a 5 because of that. Because I can't eat it more than once. Or unless somebody else buys it for me. Delicious. If you enjoy chocolate edibles, or if you are looking for on the market for one to try, this would be a really, really good one to use. You're just gonna have to get this and try it for yourself. I do highly recommend this one. And yeah, that's about it. So once again, if you liked this product review, make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on social media, because this is what I do. I like to make reviews. I also like to educate people about cannabis and all the benefits it can have for you and your life. So follow me for stuff like that. And yeah, let's just have fun together and get high together, because why the hell not? Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you have already subscribed and commented and liked this video. So I just want to wish you a wonderful rest of your week or weekend. I'm here with you, and I love you, and I don't know, I'm really excited thinking that this is helping people already. So I just want to get to know you guys, and I just wish you guys all the best, and I love you. So yeah, have a great supercalifragilisticexpialidocious rest of your week. Bye!